Are you wondering if you used that semicolon correctly? Well, I can tell you it's probably a 50-50 shot, but here's a quick lesson to teach you if you did. Semicolons are used pretty similarly to commas, but can do a bunch more. Despite similar purposes, they do have their differences. First, I'll give you the exact definition. The semicolon, or semicolon, is a punctuation mark that separates major sentence elements. A semicolon can be used between two closely related independent clauses, provided they are not already joined by a coordinating conjunction. This is a bit wordy, and even the words feel wordy themselves somehow, so I'll make it a bit simpler. The semicolon acts as both a period and a comma, which might be why it is actually just the two of them. It must separate two sentences that can stand on their own, but are related enough that they make sense together. So now, let's put you to the test. Tell me which one of these three is the correct use of a semicolon. I'll give you a second. Now remember, they must be related sentences and not already connected with and or but and any of those words. So now that you actually know how to use these, please consider how much you actually use them. I like to think about it in terms of how good of a friend you are with it. You don't want to be so close that the reader has trouble keeping their sentences in order and can't read it in their head. And you don't want to just completely avoid them like I kind of do, if I'm going to be honest. You're best off using them just a bit more than average. Not too much, but more than expected. Now this is done. Thank you, and good luck with your writing.